Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Jasper County in central Georgia, southeastern Newton County in north-central Georgia, until 7:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:48 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Starsville, or 7 miles southeast of Covington, moving southeast at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Newborn, Mansfield, Farrar, Eudora, and North Elgavie. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-763-4466 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta. Due to the threat of severe weather, NOAA weather radio station KEC 80 has interrupted its normal weather programming.